Hi, today we are at CSR Lab at Arizona State University, and we're going to show one of our coolest human-robot interaction that we have. So we use an arm right now, and the whole purpose of this interaction is the robot helps the human to guess a word on the whiteboard. So the robot picks the marker and it starts writing on the whiteboard.
The puzzle game starts with the researcher entering a puzzle word into the graphical user interface, and then this puzzle is sent over as a string to the server. And then the guesser UI could request hints from the researcher, and the request for the hint is sent across the server to the researcher graphical user interface, and it's dynamically decided by the researcher. So as the person is solving the puzzle, the researcher will be able to tell which hint to give.
When the guesser types in the word, it sends the word to the server. The server compares the word typed in by the guesser with the word typed in by the researcher, and then it sends the correct letters to the UR5, replacing the wrong letters with blanks. The guesser word game has some rules. The first rule is that the word should either be a 4 or 5 letter word. The second rule is that the researcher should only send the hint only when the guesser asks for the hint, and the hint should be dynamic.
Once the Ubuntu machine receives a start signal from the server, it activates the Kinect and launches a script that reads the position of the UR5 gripper and the red marker.
The script reading from the Kinect uses a library called OpenCV, or Open Source Computer Vision Library, to perform a color-based blob detection. What blob detection is it looks for the general shape. We look for different contours of the color and take the largest one, calculate the center. Once it has calculated the center, it checks the Kinect image for the corresponding depth values in that area and returns an XYZ coordinate for both objects.
As it sends these coordinates back to the Ubuntu machine, adjustments are made for the UR5, and another script slowly moves it toward the block until it's within distance that it can grip the block and run another script that will bring it to the board.
Once the marker is on the board, we use our custom API to input different letters, so we can do things like draw ABC, and it will draw those letters, then bring everything back to the table.
All right, go. Follow the marker, test 7. Follow the marker, test 9. Follow the marker, test 10. Pickup marker, move to board, integration, test 2. Reset, test 2. Pickup marker, bring to board, integration, test 3. Movement Integration Test 9.